Hey there, veggie lovers and health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of vegetables, specifically focusing on which ones are best and worst for people with diabetes. Grab your forks and let's get munching on some knowledge with a side of humor, of course. First up, let's talk about the heroes of the vegetable world for diabetics. Drum roll, please. The non-starchy veggies. These guys are your best friends because they're low in carbohydrates, which means they won't spike your blood sugar levels. Think leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Poppy knew what he was doing with that spinach obsession. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and it's super low in calories and carbs. Kale is like spinach's hipster cousin, full of antioxidants and fiber. And Swiss chard. It's the life of the party with its vibrant colors and nutrient-packed leaves. Now, if you're looking for a veggie that's a bit more substantial, broccoli and cauliflower are your go-to buddies. They're part of the cruciferous family, which sounds like they're part of a vegetable mafia. Hey, you mess with one, you mess with all of us. They're loaded with vitamins, fiber, and even some protein. Plus, they're versatile. Steam them, roast them, throw them in a stir-fry. They got your back in every culinary situation. Next on the best list, we have bell peppers. They're like the confetti of the vegetable world, colorful, fun, and good for you. Whether you like them green, red, yellow, or orange, bell peppers are rich in vitamins A and C, and they add a satisfying crunch to your meals without adding too many carbs. Speaking of crunch, let's not forget cucumbers. They're mostly water, which makes them super hydrating and refreshing. Perfect for a summer salad or even just sliced up with some hummus. And did you know that the phrase cool as a cucumber isn't just a saying? Cucumbers can actually help cool your body temperature and keep you calm. Who knew veggies had superpowers? Alright, we've sung the praises of the good guys. But what about the veggies that might not be so friendly to your blood sugar levels? Let's start with the starchiest of them all. Potatoes. Yes, I know, everyone loves a good spud mashed, fried, baked, their comfort food at its finest. But potatoes are high in carbs and can cause a significant rise in blood sugar levels. Sweet potatoes are a slightly better alternative because they have more fiber and nutrients, but moderation is key. Another one to watch out for is corn. It's sweet, it's tasty, and it's a staple in many diets, but it's also high in carbs and natural sugars. That doesn't mean you have to cut it out completely, just enjoy it in smaller portions. The same goes for peas, which are tiny but mighty in their carb content. Now, brace yourselves because this might hurt a bit, but beets are also on the watch list. They're earthy, sweet, and delicious, but they contain a fair amount of sugar. A little bit in a salad can add a nice flavor, but don't go overboard. Let's not forget about carrots. They're great for your eyesight and packed with nutrients, but they're also higher in carbs compared to other non-starchy veggies. Enjoy them, but maybe not by the bushel. So, what's the takeaway here? Vegetables are a crucial part of a healthy diet, especially for managing diabetes. The key is to focus on non-starchy veggies like leafy greens, broccoli, and bell peppers, while keeping an eye on portion sizes for the starchier ones like potatoes, corn, and beets. Remember, moderation is everything. You don't have to give up your favorite veggies entirely, just enjoy them in reasonable amounts. And hey, why not mix and match? Create colorful, nutrient-packed salads or delicious stir-fries that keep your taste buds happy and your blood sugar levels stable. If you found this veggie voyage useful and hopefully a bit entertaining, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your health in check without losing your sanity or your sense of humor. Until next time, stay crunchy, stay healthy, and keep those veggies coming.